It's a video camcorder Grandma is letting me try out. She had one, an extra one. Grandma.
Can I see?
So come on out here. So we're recording this.
Recording what?
What we're looking at. So this is your mother working hard.
What else are we doing?
I was going to go take a look at the chickens.
Oh.
So you stick your hand like that, and you can point this your way. Whatever you're saying is what the camera's saying. So I'm pointing it down there. You may want to like that. That way you can see the chickens. Now watch this. Let me show you something. Let me have the camera.
Can you open the door for me?
You ready, Keo? Look at this.
Awesome.
Look at Mama.
Excellent job, ladies.
Put your hand in there. Yeah.
Wait, you can see me?
Go get. Oh, you can only see there. Go record
No,
the
can this see me?
Nope. It's looking that way. Just if you're like recording yourself and like talking to someone, you can see what the camera
Okay.
sees. I don't know how well it does in the shadows like this. So we'll test it out and see how it does. Well, zoom it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
What in the world is this?
Okay. Let's hit the red button on the right. It'll stop it.
Okay.
So hit that. I want to take it and put it on the computer and see what it looks like.